Going live on Facebook is awesome, but it's challenging to use Facebook to go live. To be actually live in front of a camera, not knowing what to say, stumbling over your words, like, it can be intimidating to actually go live, right? But guess what? There's a new way to go live on Facebook, and that is LivePigeon. Now, LivePigeon makes it so easy. You just pre-record your video, you get it perfect, and then what you're gonna do is you just push it live to Facebook as if it was a live video. There's such power in this. In fact, I wanna show a demo for you right now. Check this out. I've just logged into LivePigeon, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that button. So once you fill out your title and description, go ahead and click next. All right, so there's three options where you can go live. You can go live to your profile. Now this is more for, let's say, your friends and your family. My pages, this is like business pages or personal interest pages, or my groups. This might be if you have a private group to talk about anything online. There's tons of groups that you can go and join. This is where you might want to go live to a group that you manage. But for this example, actually, we're going to click on My Pages, and I'm going to select the LivePigeon page. Now, from here, we can either upload a video from our computer, or if you have Dropbox or Google Drive, you can choose either one of these options. And basically, the difference for all of these is if I was to choose a file from my computer, it's going to then upload based off of my internet speeds to LivePigeon. But we've actually integrated with Dropbox. And what's really nice about that is your videos are already up in the cloud, so there's no uploading because we're integrated with Dropbox. The only thing that LivePigeon would need to do is process your file. And this is a huge time saver, and we love this. It's going to be the same thing for Google Drive as well. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a file to upload. From here, I'm just going to click Next. And now the video is just going to upload. And then after uploading, it's going to start processing the video. And all processing does is it makes it so that it's the best format for Facebook. What else is nice is that as soon as you upload your video, you're done. Once it starts processing, you can walk away. There's nothing else you need to do because we're about to go live. As soon as that processing hits 100%, and it's going to go to this next page, what's nice about it is we are live. So just like that, we are live now. And if we notice that the cursor changes, right? If I click on it.
All right, you guys.
All right, so there it is, you guys. Our video is now live. And anyway, this is so cool, you guys, to be able to upload your videos and it automatically just pushes it as if it's a live video. Notice the people that we've already reached, the engagement. I can start commenting on videos. This is just an amazing way to basically take your videos and, you know, it looks like you're spontaneously going live. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I'm super excited for you to jump in and start using LivePigeon on your own videos. Notice how easy that was, right? Within a few clicks, I uploaded the video and then it's done. My video is already on Facebook. This is such a powerful tool. Get in there, start playing around with it. Let us know if you have any questions. And that's it for this video, you guys. And until next time.